Confidence is not just a trait, it's a way of being that radiates from within. It's the belief in oneself, the ability to tackle challenges, and the courage to pursue dreams. Yet, for many, confidence feels elusive, something they wish they had more of. The good news is that confidence can be cultivated and nurtured, much like a seed that grows into a mighty tree. In this guide, we'll explore step-by-step strategies to unlock your inner confidence and unleash your full potential. Understanding confidence. Before diving into the steps to boost confidence, it's essential to understand what confidence truly means. Confidence is not about being perfect or never feeling doubt or fear. It's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. It's about acknowledging your strengths while accepting your flaws. True confidence stems from self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-belief. Step 1. Self-reflection and awareness. The journey to confidence begins with self-reflection. Take time to understand yourself, your values, strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. Reflect on past experiences and identify moments when you felt confident. What factors contributed to those feelings? Conversely, consider times when you lacked confidence. What held you back? Self-awareness is key to unlocking confidence. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Notice self-limiting beliefs or negative self-talk and challenge them. Replace self-doubt with affirmations and reminders of your capabilities. Journaling can be a powerful tool to track your progress and gain insights into your inner world. Step 2. Set realistic goals. Confidence often flourishes when we have clear goals to strive towards. Set realistic and achievable goals that align with your values and aspirations. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Each accomplishment, no matter how small, boosts confidence and reinforces your belief in yourself. Step 3. Embrace continuous learning. Confidence grows when we expand our knowledge and skills. Embrace a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Seek opportunities for learning and personal development. Whether it's enrolling in a course, attending workshops, or reading books, every new skill acquired enhances confidence and expands your capabilities. Step 4. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Cultivate relationships with individuals who believe in your potential and encourage your growth. Positive interactions with others can bolster confidence and provide valuable feedback and perspective. Conversely, distance yourself from toxic relationships that undermine your self-worth and confidence. Step 5. Practice self-care. Self-care is foundational to confidence. Prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Get adequate sleep, nourish your body with healthy food, and engage in regular exercise. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing to manage stress and promote inner peace. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for cultivating confidence and resilience. Step 6. Step out of your comfort zone. True growth occurs outside of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things and take calculated risks. Whether it's speaking up in meetings, volunteering for leadership opportunities, or pursuing a passion project, each step beyond your comfort zone expands your confidence and resilience. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and celebrate your courage to try. Step 7. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for building confidence. Take time each day to visualize yourself succeeding in your goals and aspirations. Imagine yourself confidently navigating challenges, achieving milestones, and living your best life. Visualization primes your mind for success, instilling a sense of confidence and determination to turn your dreams into reality. Step 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to self-doubt and insecurity. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice, reflecting on the blessings in your life. Focus on your strengths, accomplishments, and the support of others. Gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance, fostering a sense of confidence and contentment. Step 9. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Take pride in your progress and the obstacles you've overcome. Celebrating milestones reinforces positive behavior and boosts confidence, motivating you to continue striving towards your goals. Step 10. Be kind to yourself. Finally, be gentle with yourself on this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is confidence. Understand that setbacks and moments of doubt are a natural part of the process. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding you would offer a dear friend facing similar challenges. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect, it's about embracing your imperfections and owning your worth. Conclusion. Unlocking your inner confidence is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It requires self-awareness, courage, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. By following these steps and committing to your personal development, you can cultivate a deep sense of confidence that empowers you to thrive in all areas of your life. Remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is your confidence, so wear it proudly and let it shine brightly for the world to see. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little boost of confidence. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining bright.